Hi, Ariane Poole here, and I am with Joe, and today I would like to show you how to get a great red lip. Red lips are always that thing that we're always afraid of, but we secretly want to try. Now, I know that red suits you very, very well, and that you wear red a lot.
I do.
So this is going to be great for Joe anyway. But I want to show you a great way of, getting your lips right. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put on my glasses so I can see what I'm doing, which is a really good start. Right, I've conditioned Joe's lips, a little bit of lip balm, but take the excess of the lip balm off, because if you have your lips too hydrated, then the lipstick slides all over the place and you don't want to have that. So I normally would start with a lip pencil if I was doing a nude lip, but if I'm doing a red lip, guess what? I start with the lipstick first. Now there's a reason for that. It means that I am not committing to the shape right away, so that if I need to correct it, I can do so with ease, and I am not making a big mess all over the face. So let's start off. Now I'm using a red carpet red color. This is a red with a blue undertone. Now why choose a red with a blue undertone? Because it makes your teeth appear whiter. It doesn't whiten your teeth, but it makes your teeth appear whiter. If you choose a red with a warm undertone, an orangey red, it can make your teeth look a little bit yellowish, which is not great. So cracking on. I'm using a lip brush. Always use a lip brush when you're doing a red, because it is too much if you're trying to do it straight from the bullet, unless you are absolutely adept with doing it that way. I always use a lip brush. I start in the center of the lips with the most of the color applied. So there we go. And now edging out to the outer edges. And I like to have the person have their lips closed. Now, when you're doing it yourself, you can do all of the facial movements. But if I'm doing someone else, I always like to have the lips closed, because that way I'm not going to be second guessing where they're going to move. Now I'm going to get you to open a little bit. So I'm going to go just in here. So with the excess that I had on my brush, and I'm going to go to just there. And if you're wondering why I say about doing a blue toned or a cool toned red rather than a warm tone, I one time did a beautiful red lip on a model, and we were on TV and it was live, and she smiled and she had an orangey toned lipstick on, and her teeth looked really yellow. It wasn't a good look. And from then on I vowed never to use one that was too orangey toned. So just going along the edge of the lips. Now, because your mirror may be deceiving, my best tip for checking to make sure that the lipstick is on evenly is taking a tissue and using a single ply rather than a double ply or a triple ply, and then just taking it and putting it across the lips like this. And then checking to see if they're even. So now I'm looking here, I'm thinking I need to bring this up a little bit and bring that up a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my lip pencil and starting on the outer edge there and just bringing it up and in. And this way you get such a neat line as well. And then I'm going to go in with my tissue again, just have another check. And although it's faint, I can see that it is actually coming together and looking really good. So I'm going to do a second application of the red. Now, if you wanted to make your lipstick more of a matte red and you've got a glossy red lipstick, what you can do is take a little bit of powder and powder over the tissue, and what you'll get is a fantastic matte red lipstick, but without that drying. And what I'd like to do is show you something if you make a mistake. So if you've gone, say you've gone a little bit out of the edge like that, what you need to do is take a cotton bud and a little bit of either your foundation or your concealer. Roll that around and just go over it with your cotton bud. And that way you take off and just even it out without leaving an oily mark. And there you have it, a gorgeous red lip, super easy, that makes your teeth look a little bit brighter and whiter. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll leave the information and the details below. Bye-bye.